The MLD 9000 headlight adjustment device outshines the competition. This is how workshops are gearing up for the future. Headlights are getting ever more complex. In the MLD 9000, workshops have a groundbreaking solution that reliably guides them through the adjustment process. Aligning the device is simple and straightforward. Position the optical box using the rail system. Precise laser alignment to the vehicle. Any kind of headlight can be tested. With optional height sensor. The headlight positioning is also performed by laser. Operation is simple and intuitive. Complex measurement results are a thing of the past. The device automatically evaluates light distribution. Headlight settings can be adjusted really easily. Point the swivel-mounted display towards the mechanic and view the adjustment live. The results are documented as a report and can be shared via WLAN with the customer, with the workshop computer or the workshop network. Software updates are also performed over the air via WLAN. Simple, universal, and smart. With the MLD, workshops are already fit for future guidelines. Beissbarth, measurably better.